So when you own a business called the Curious Cat Bakery, naturally people ask all the time, so are you a crazy cat lady? Okay, tone down the crazy talk. I've been told that crazy cat lady status doesn't start until you have 6 cats. So technically, no, I'm not. Practically, yes, I am. So today I figured I'd give you guys a behind the scenes look and introduce you to all of the cats behind the bakery. So this is Magic. You might have seen her in the Curious Cat Bakery logo. She is our oldest kitty cat. We got her 10 years ago at Friends of Strays, which is a local shelter here in St. Pete, Florida. And she is a very curious kitty cat. She's always exploring, she's always looking into things, always peering into corners, and her tail is always in a question mark. So she is the curious cat. So I guess she's famous now. Then we have Minnie. As you can see, Minnie is a bit of a chunk. Or as the vet put it, she is a 9 out of 9 in a fat scale. I love her curves though. Look at this chunk. Minnie's on a diet now. She needs to eat in a separate room, otherwise she bullies everyone out of their plates. And when we got her, she was actually rescued because somebody threw her out of a window. When she was so tiny she could fit in my hand. She was so adorable. And now clearly those days are gone and she is a spoiled big fat queen now. Then we have Gingy and Duva. Now I know what you're thinking. Those are some really stupid names. I couldn't agree more. Here's the story behind these two. 5 years ago, I was minding my own beeswax when this guy comes in at the vet and just tells me that he's moving to China, he doesn't know what to do with these cats, they're going to be put down if he takes them to a shelter, they're too old, they're going to be separated, crying. So I just go ahead and say, I'll keep your cats on a foster basis. 2 days later, we're in love with the cats stayed. Gingy is the most loving cat I've ever had in my life. The guy will not leave my side, not even while I eat. And Duva, she doesn't do much else other than sleep and stare out the window and drinking out of cups that don't belong to her. But other than that, she's just a really good cuddler. These are the bakery cats. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of different, something new I figured you'd like. Let me know if you did. Let me know in the comments. And now this wouldn't be a complete cat lady video if I didn't ask you now to share your cat stories and photos. So go ahead and post them in the comments. I love to see them. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you soon. Stay curious. She's miserable. If you want a good cuddle when you go to sleep, this is the girl to call. Okay, and that's enough. Okay, so that was Magic. Dude, ow!